Right, an update for Girvan folks. Kind of like to do that. See, if I don't do that, nobody comes up and does it, because everybody comes up and does that to me, by the way. Go, hey, that's what the song's to feel you. I didn't say that to do there. Right, we'll put that stuff down there. This is the wheat colour we use, rosette. We put that in the macaroni, but never mind. Red label hyperchlorite. We've done that. We'll put that in the new, right? There's no point in getting rid of slabs that are nothing wrong with. We will salvage them. That's what recycling is all about. So we're going to keep the red slabs there. You see already. Tomorrow we'll jet wash them. There's this lovely, this is going to be the kickboard here, minus the feet marks, right? They'll be either side. The willy whole weave there. Now, if you'll see the difference, you see the, if you can see there, by the way, if you look at all the tools involved for a simple fence, people say, I only want the wee fence. I only want a wee fence for a wee price, Wally. And I say to them, well, I don't know where you're going to get a wee fence for a wee price. See the way my shoulders is going there. I'm quite happy there for some reason. Anyway, never mind. Oh, and by the way, Vesta Cafe, main new road here, brilliant. They're back and opened up again. I've been in there for the last 2 or 3 weeks. I'll highly commend their fish supper, lovely. One piece of fish is quite enough. Anyway, and I want the next one free. So there, you see that post there, you'll see there rough. That's the close standard fencing wood as this here. You come and see this here. Now these are too big, but it's like your hair, which I'm needing a haircut by the way. We're better to cut than glue, and you'll see how that's his dress there, because we're going to have a lovely red pine gate there, and we've done it all line. And here's another wee tip, we wanted to do away the finials there, because they don't look too good with the gate. And what we've done, we've dug them out and turned them upside down and sat them back in, we'll concrete and dress all that up tomorrow. But see, to get the level right, and because of that there's a wee tip there. So see, tomorrow morning, all I'll do is that there, grind that there, that will set in there and that'll no move. Nobody will ever know. And it's perfectly okay to do it that way. And that'll be all there, set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes to do tomorrow. And we've got 5 of the holes dug, they'll be concreted, and that's it. The mystery still surrounds here, with this gate by the way. Still there, right, it's not going away. 20, 25 years ago, this used to be the provost that stayed there. You see that lamp post up there? I'll give you a wee bit local knowledge. See the post, right? That post is where the former provost stayed, right? And when you're the provost in South Ayrshire, there are 2 poles sit outside your house for your term of office. And once your term of office is up, there's 1 pole there. But Danny McNeil was the provost down here. And Danny left us many years ago, and I forgot to take the pole away. And I remember doing work next door to Danny's house, his sister, many years ago. So maybe that gate came from there. But any of you Girvan sleuths out there, get in contact with me and explain to me this gate. These people are on holiday now, and I'll find out. But there you go. That's us, we're getting there. Look at those slabs. Look at those slabs. Why lift them? And we'll clean them up and tidy them up yet. And they'll get jet washed tomorrow. So they will. And they'll be all tied up and relaid there, a nice wee area. And some other things for potted plants. So as I say, wait and see this job when it's finished, and we'll give you progress. You let me know if you like my progress updates or not. Okay, and Stucky, I've cleaned the mixer by the way. Okay, Stucky, out your bed. See you later, folks.